Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download and install the latest version of Python for Mac. Just open a browser, any browser you can use, Chrome, Safari, or any browser at all. For this demonstration, I'm just using Chrome. So from here, I'm going to search for python.org download and Mac. Enter, there you go. And you will see a couple of options. So you just click this, the first one. From here, you have stable releases, and for our purpose, we're going to choose this as the latest version. And you would like to install this. There you go. And this is light package. Just click open. Now, just click continue. There you go. And you can check this standard write-ups. Click continue. And license. And just click continue. And agree if you agree. Here, just click continue. You can change install location, but I'll just leave it as default. So click continue and install. It will ask for your password and just give it away to allow it. So and just wait for a minute or two or less. There you go. It's now installed. Python 3.9 is installed. You can close this. And here, you can close this as well. You just successfully installed Python 3.9.0. Close. And move to trash. You don't need it anyway. You can always download it if you ever have a need. Alright, congratulations. You just installed Python 3.9 in your machine. And now, we're going to validate the installation and we're going to check. So in your terminal, just type python 3 version. There you go. You see, you have Python 3.9.0 and it's now installed. I really do hope that you learned something. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.